Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to use the IR or infrared blaster remote on OnePlus Nord 4 smartphone. We can use this feature to control some of our electronic devices easily. So let's check it out. First, take your OnePlus Nord 4 smartphone and search for IR remote. This one. This is a built-in feature of this phone. Here we can press the plus circular button here. We have a lot of devices like cable box, TV, set-top box, DVD player and other stuff like air conditioner and water air purifier. Okay. We can select anything we want. For example, if I want to select TV, it will list out all the popular TV brands. I am now going to see how this works for our Samsung Smart TV. So I'll select the TV icon here. I'll choose Samsung. Is the TV on? Yes. Point your phone towards the TV and tap the button below to test. This is volume increase button. Okay. It's working. Yes. Channel change button. It is working. Yes. Display. Working. Yes. Back button. Working. Yes. Now we can save the, once again, I'll mute the TV. Now we can save the TV name. We can change it whatever we want. Samsung TV. So we have it here. We just have to select this and you will get this small remote control. We can choose any option we want. Suppose home. Working. Okay. Volume decrease. Okay. Mute. Okay. So these are the functions available on the IR remote for the Samsung Smart TV. We also have some options at the top here. We can rename this. We can pin this specific TV or device thing. We can pair again or we can add to home screen. We can also share this. We'll get a QR code. And we can also delete this to start once again. Similarly, we can do this for our LG AC. We just have to open the IR remote app. Select air conditioner here. Choose the brand LG. Point your phone towards the air conditioner and tap the below button to test. This power on button. Our AC is turned off now. It's working. So yes. And this is mode button. I'm not sure what it does. Okay, it's choosing A1. It's working now. Temperature increase. Okay. Okay, that's all. Now we can save our LG AC here. And we get this remote kind of thing with all the features. This is really a handy feature for smartphones. I hope all the smartphones have this feature, but unfortunately they don't. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section about using IR remote on OnePlus Nord 4 smartphone. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.